Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Elliott Wave Forecast. Today we have 10th of August, 1 a.m. GMT, and in front of us is S&P 500 cash index 1 hour. From the highs of 45.99, where we have ended wave 3, we see 1, 2, 3. First of all, 3 swings, which has created from this blue box a reaction higher in wave 4. But then it has made a new low, therefore we count 5 waves of A. Now 5 waves of A means that we expect a zigzag. Zigzag is a structure 5, 3, 5, therefore after ending 5 and 3, while below wave B favoring more downside. Now we have broken again the lows, confirming next extension higher, and using A and B it can reach even full 100%. Typically we reach full 100% at least 0.618. When it reaches 0.618, it's called truncation, but if it will reach 100%, 43.94, 43.17, then here you should find support for more upside. So we should not forget that even though 1 hour is turning down, in 4 hour we're bullish, we're turning up in daily, and in weekly we're also bullish. Therefore, one should not be too fearful, one should not turn bearish just because 1 hour is turning down. Right now, based on the A and B, can reach lower towards 43.94, 43.17 support area, or it can even truncate here before higher. In shorter cycles, we see 1, 2 in blue, 1, 2 in red, expecting acceleration lower in wave 3 in red, and then series of fifth waves 4, 5, 4, 5 to end the structure. Now, what is the look of this entire pullback in 4 hour? In 4 hour, we are correcting the lows from March, and typically the correction in wave 4 is going towards 236, 0236, 0382. Now we have not reached yet 0236, can extend lower towards 4419, 4308. It can break this trend line. It even should break this trend line, because this trend line is for the cycle in wave 3. Wave 4 is correcting the cycle, therefore trend line should break, and we can see therefore more downside into this retracement area. When we look on the daily charts, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking on stochastic RSI, we can recognize here 1, 2, 3. Short pullback in wave 4, wave 5, and wave 4 is resetting. We are resetting as deep as this wave 2, therefore alternatively it can be still wave 4 in black. This is possible, but main idea wave 4 happening in red. This wave 4 expected to drop and then find support, and after all, since we see from the lows of October 1, 2, 1, 2 double nest favoring at least 2 more highs. So therefore, once wave 4 will end, we expect 1 more high, then pullback, another more high. Depending where wave 4 will end, then we will be able to project the targets higher. For example, if it will end here at 43.89, then target high is 46.64, 47.50. In weekly charts, we see here 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 is in progress, and we can even go and break to the new highs, make new all-time highs. This will create the next bullish sequence, and then pullback later on should be supported. But we favor until the end of this year wave 1 to extend, and therefore we like buying any clear pullbacks in 3 or 7 swings. We explain our members how to do so. Here in 1 hour charts I have just explained using A and B. Next support areas 43.94, 43.17. The principle is to buy pullbacks from extremes in 3-7 swings. Current structure again is a zigzag and should still extend lower. Alternatively, there is possibility to call correction already in place. The reason is we have the highs here with divergence, and this can be wave 5 or 3 down here. This is alternative view where we have 3 lower, 3 higher, and 5 waves lower. This can become, for example, ending diagonal, can end and then rally. If we will go higher from where we're now, break 45.99, then it will become a count where we have ended A in 3 swings, B in 3 swings, and doing 5 waves of C, ended here and higher. That's a reason why in the bullish markets, when 4 hour daily, weekly are bullish and only 1 hour is bearish, it is not smart to sell indices only buying if they will make ABC lower. Therefore, there's possibility also alternatively that wave 4 is in place and we are already trading higher. Breaking these highs will confirm next extension to the upside. I hope it's clear what is happening with indices and in particular with S&P 500 cash index. You can check more information on our homepage, Elliott Wave Forecast. We have free material, Elliott Wave theory, we have blogs, news, and you can also try our service for 14 days, $10 only for new members. You can unsubscribe anytime, but we will be happy to welcome you as our new members. Thank you all for watching. Take care, bye, and I will see you all tomorrow.